Bugging me! Just messing with ya. On tonight's episode, we're gonna draw Irewig from Yokai Watch. When you get inspirited by him, they get ticked off. And, well... And sometimes... Well, in my eyes, Irewig almost looks like a dragon. At least he looks like one, though. Anyway, to draw Irewig, you start with the antennas here. Here are the red fangs sticking out of his mouth. And here's another one of Irewig's eyes. Sure is peaceful out here to draw him. Peace and quiet. Hey, are those crows? Stop bugging me, you crows! Just messing with you guys again. That's tarnished. That's... Now here's Irewig's chest. You know what really bugs me? How the owner of the Yokai Watch Model Zero didn't use any of the new Model Zero medals for it. The Yokai Watch owners, Yokai Watch medal owners would have traded them in for Z medals. That was the one thing that bugs me during the series. Now we draw the stinger sticking out of his back. And here are the fangs sticking out. Here's his scissors. This is what he used to inspirit others. And to be honest, it's a really awesome feature. And an amazing function as well. You know what else is amazing? That irewig possesses the power to build birdhouses. Yeah, I saw the show. And man, is he's good at it. And finished. That's how you draw irewig. There we go. There we go. If you want to find out more on how to draw characters, draw more Yokai Watch characters, then stop bugging me! Just messing with you guys again. Then make sure to leave a comment below. Please like or rocket, subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Got anything to say to the fans, Irewig? Not bad. I still hate that boy's shirt. But this art design, not bad.